To get started with using Azure Monitor for Azure SQL performance tuning, you need to understand the basics of Azure Monitor and Azure SQL. Azure Monitor is a service that provides telemetry data for your Azure resources, while Azure SQL is a cloud-based database service. First, navigate to the Azure portal and select the Azure SQL database you want to monitor. Then, click on the Metrics option in the left-hand menu to access the Azure Monitor metrics for your database. The Metrics page provides a variety of performance metrics, including CPU percentage, data I/O percentage, and log I/O percentage. You can use these metrics to identify performance bottlenecks in your database. To create a chart, select the desired metric and time range, and then click the Add Metric button. You can also filter the metrics by specific database or resource. Azure Monitor also provides alerts, which allow you to receive notifications when a specific condition is met, such as high CPU usage. To create an alert, click on the Alerts option in the left-hand menu and then click the New Alert Rule button. In the Alert Rule page, select the condition, such as CPU percentage greater than 80%, and the action, such as sending an email notification. You can also configure the alert to trigger an automated action, such as running an Azure automation script. Best practices for using Azure Monitor with Azure SQL include regularly reviewing performance metrics, setting up alerts for critical conditions, and using the data to optimize database performance. Additionally, you can use Azure Monitor to collect query performance data, including query duration, CPU time, and wait time. This data can help you identify poorly performing queries and optimize them for better performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Azure Monitor to tune the performance of your Azure SQL database and ensure optimal performance and reliability.